Yeah. Rock it up.
Yeah, man, people from when they see that colored wig and them type of dressing, they spot that woman, yeah. Right in at the midst of everything. So we are talking about that look a bit. Alright, people, before we talk about how Amari, Jamaican man, deal with her son in front her, guess who I'm a buck up on? Alright, watch your prayer. So we already know expert father which other man, alright? So one video I go around with this woman. Yeah, I wanna watch it for myself. Wanna tell me what you think, wanna help me out if she I'm mother for real.
Expert, don't give nothing like all the money when I get from Facebook. You don't give me nothing. You don't look for him, mother. The truth, expert favor you. What? How you get that name again, exposed? How you give that name, export? When you export, expert or expose? Expert! We are getting that name again.
Export.
Export. You never know your son name. Export. Expert. Yeah. Alright, madam. Nice to meet you. Never gonna look for Rose. I make Rose gonna look for you.
But anyways, people, you know, say yesterday, right? Yeah, me see a video sharing on one of them pages and I said to myself, say, you know, say, am I girl this? So I look on it good and when I look, it's actually she. But it's like she is somewhere located in Kingston and it was about 4 of them, she, her man, and her son and her next brother. Pray for it.
Rock it up.
Yeah, you know that song there?
Yeah. Rock it up.
I'm using neko.
Yeah, man.
Boy, that girl, the work list, I not tell no lie. I not put my mouth a ground at night and talk. You see me? How comes you for bring you for visit Jamaica, right? We know you're Jamaican. No, listen me. You can't fool me all if you want to fly out or not. When you look on that body, there you shape out on you. You see me? You can know you're Jamaican, man. So how if you have man a beat up your youth in front of you, and as far as me see it, you're not really business because you're back turn to everything. So you know see what go on, a video go out, then you see what really go on if you check your level. Plus, make it, job with the man and I tell the man done and them. So I'm not really business about it still. If you don't want to chop up on yourself, you chop up on yourself. But me, you know, I like pinpoint justice, so that's why. You see me, so I don't like that. I'm going to see, comment down below, tell me what you think, because there's enough point of view and enough things I'm going to say. You see me? But naturally, I know so it got people. No put people, don't put your man over your youth and them son. They're not real life. Reality, because your son and your blood. Is it break? Monday probably not last long. Now go dead ever. And plus, and if your blood or nothing like that, you're not sure about him like that.
Yeah, good afternoon, peeps. You know, I've been up and I work and I went eat, but you know, I ain't tank up as much. You know, I know I can do it, you know. I know I can do it, but big up on yourself, big up no lava, big up yourself, you know, man. I love my boss.
A mad thing though, people. Sandak and the general is good, as I say. I'm doing a preview in my first video, but I just want to know what said we said. The dog said good next time it look like him a forward back with vengeance. Says he pray, so we are look out for it in a Sandak and don't feel like we not look out for it. But anyway, peeps, I love you know, at the end of the video this. Please like, share, comment to a friend, our family. I'm out.